Welcome back to week 7 of the Containment Seal mini-series, which is the concluding week bringing the series to a close. To recap, we have reviewed the history of containment seals, different designs which exist, perceptions within the industry, operational bad practice, safety considerations and total life costs. And if you have missed any of the sessions, I strongly urge you to watch previous weeks to garner a fuller picture of the potential pitfalls of containment seals. This week we look at a safety risk assessment which can be conducted prior to implementing containment seals and if they are the right choice for your process plant. There is little written about monitoring of the condition of containment seals during operation or how they behave in the event of high levels of leakage other than what has been discussed within this mini-series. Surprisingly, some clients have even expressed a desire to extend the 8 hours running at full seal chamber conditions upon failure of the inboard seal to 500 hours, which is around 3 weeks. We find this highly impossible in practice. Although the contacting containment seal should reach 25,000 hours, the consequences of increased wear due to contaminants, moisture, etc. increase over time and reduce the likelihood of the containment seal working in the event of a primary seal failure. The non-contacting seal design does not wear in operation and in theory has a higher service life expectation than the primary seal. However, condensing liquids and debris reaching the seal can fill the grooves and affect seal performance and ultimately its service life. Therefore, it has to be supported with a Plan 72 for optimal operation, which is not always possible. There is a growing industry understanding and realisation that containment seals are not as safe as originally perceived, and best-in-class operators are reviewing their fleets, and we would urge anybody with containment seals to do the same. This has largely been covered in this 7-week mini-series. Currently, there is no API or regulatory edict for testing of containment seals. LDAR in the USA and Canada only goes so far to detect failure due to emissions when it's too late and does not cover all process plants. There have been recommendations mentioned in white papers produced by leading seal OEMs, but that is all they are. Recommendations. There is no regulatory compliance enforced. So ultimately the decisions that are being made lie with you, the operator of the plant. AESSEAL have endeavoured to help make these decisions a little easier for you. We have produced a risk assessment paper, just like the leading compressor OEM did back in 2007, highlighting the potential pitfalls and widening the reader's potential solutions rather than just stating it's a problem. This is not a sales pitch, this is a safety paper, and it can be implemented on any plant anywhere in the world with widely available solutions from all of the leading international seal manufacturers. This is AESSEAL doing their bit for plant reliability and safety in the industry as it's the right thing to do. This risk assessment paper is freely available from the AESSEAL website, as is the recommendation for periodically testing of containment seals with a written procedure. Obtain the papers by visiting the resources section on the AESSEAL website. This concludes the 7-week mini-series on containment seals, and I personally thank you for your interest. Obviously, we can only cover so much in a short time, but if there are any subsequent questions which have arisen from these videos, please do not hesitate to get in touch with myself personally or your local sales and service representative from AESSEAL for ongoing guidance and advice.